How to make money prompting using ChatGPT. Discover the secret of earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether you are looking to create compelling content, automate tasks, or enhance business workflows, well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this EA tool. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing, copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So first of all you have to do is using ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So here we have give me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway ML. So don't worry, I will explain you Runway ML later. So we have here on Runway LL to generate a batch of some images, give some good prompts for images if I'm going to be using the images as the shorts designs. So here we have here some unique and creative prompts that you can use in Runway ML to generate images. We have the first one, natural scene, abstract, geometric shapes. We have vintage, retro wave, and then we have space exploration, tribal and cultural fusion. Then we have animal kingdom mashup, flora and school fusion. Then we have minimalist, line art, fantasy, warrior, then psychedelic, fractal patterns. So you can just copy one of this, then paste it on Runway. But firstly, let me introduce you another one, which is called Leonardo. I will tell you why I use this one. So Leonardo is a free tool. Anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this and you can start creating these images from the prompts. So as you can see, this is my account. You can just click get started and write your email and your password, and then you get started with it. So as you can see, we have here some information about how it works. You can just read this all information, like for creators here, for terms, and for developers, as you can see. So before we get started, you can just read this information to more understand about Leonardo and how it works with it. So then you can just here in the home page, we have here various things and other things here. So let's click for image creation. Then you paste what you already copied. So let's paste this one. So then you choose here to press it. Then we have here the prompt enhance, automatic, on or off. Then we have preset style here, also contrast. Then we have here generation mode, fast, quality. Then we have image dimensions, and just select the one you want. Then we have small here, medium, large. Then we have a number of images here also. So let's choose 2. Then we have also here, you can just switch on or switch off here, and you click over generate. So you have got these credits alright, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 134 of these credits, and they will regenerate every 24 hours. You get around of this each 24 hours, so you can just use them. So here is my tank, here is my graffiti, and you can see it looks really nice. Now, as you can see the word right, let me tell you right off the bat, any kind of image generation tool, it's bad with words. Don't try to write something on the screen with AI image generation, right? Just don't. But like this, I can see this as a t-shirt design. Let me this one as well. I will just change the existing prompt, click on generate one more, and we are going to get a result something like this. Now all of this can be t-shirt designs. Why am I telling you that All of this, well, the reason is simple. I found numerous shops on Etsy. They have over the 25,000 sales as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for Mac, for air fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So you can just get started. So what these people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there, and they just get these pictures and they just throw over those to the teacher t-shirts, to mag, to cap, whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we come in. We make this with ChatGPT or Leonardo or Runway. So Runway, why we choose it? So Runway can make you 100 of this, but the downside of it is that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started and create an account and get with it, it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this one whenever you get some cash for investing, and if you click here on get credits, you can see that 100 is going to cost you $10, sorry. So it's a paid tool. You can just use run leonardo.ea. It's for free, and that's it for how it works. So to make money using ChatGPT, draw prompts, start by understanding the types of prompts that work best for different tasks such as content creation, customer support, or automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high-quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to business, sell prompt yourself to sub-prompt packages, or use the prompt yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapt to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So how it works, this is how it works with Leonardo.ea, also here on the way, and this is how you can sell it in Etsy. So you have to be patient and hardworking, and you will succeed with prompting using ChatGPT. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.